Today we will start with juxtaglomerular apparatus. Juxtaglomerular apparatus. What is juxtaglomerular apparatus? It is a specialized structure at the junction where the thick ascending limb continued as distal convoluted tubule and it comes in contact with glomerular afferent and efferent arteriole. This is the structure. The thick ascending leaf and starting with as the descending distal convoluted tubule and it comes in contact afferent and efferent arteriole in both cortical nephron and the juxtamedullary nephron. Component is the macula densa, juxtaglomerular cell and the Jejchi cell and the Lassis cell. This is the thick ascending leaf which is continued as distal convoluted tubule. This is the afferent arteriole, this is the efferent arteriole and this is the glomerulus. The afferent arteriole comes in contact and efferent arteriole also comes in contact with the thick ascending leaf. These cells are the macula densa, these cells are the afferent arteriole. Some author says that it is also present at the efferent arteriole also. This is the granular cell or Jejchi cell, juxtaglomerular cell, and there is a triangle, and at this triangle the presence of the Lassis cell occurs. Now we will go to individual structure. Macula densa cell. This is the rows of the tightly packed cell located at the wall where thick ascending limb is continued at distal convoluted tubule which connects afferent and efferent arteriole. Number 2 point, here is a gap present at the basement membrane, and as there is a gap, macula densa cell comes in good contact with the afferent arteriole. So the basement membrane is there is a gap and macula densa cell comes in good contact with the Jejchi cells. Function: cells act as chemoreceptor. They are stimulated by decreased sodium chloride load at the renal tubule and thereby causing increased renin release from the Jejchi cell and cause tubuloglomerular feedback. Tubuloglomerular feedback আমরা দুটো একটা ক্লাস পরেই বলবো। Juxtaglomerular cell. These are also called the granular cell or the Pulkyson cell. These are present at the tunica media of the afferent arteriole. Some authors says it is also present at the efferent arteriole and they are the modified smooth muscle cell and the granule contains renin. Function: it acts as a baroreceptor and responds to change of the renal perfusion pressure and releases renin. Lassis cell. These are found in triangle formed by the afferent and efferent arteriole and macula densa. They are also called the agranular cell or extraglomerular mesangial cell. Function: in extreme hypersensitivity, hyperactivity, they may granulate and secrete renin. When there is the increased requirement of renin, they secrete renin. And as they are called the extraglomerular mesangial cell, they are contractile, and as they are contractile, they regulate, they kink the vessel wall and regulate the GFR. Now I will come to renin-angiotensin system. It is a very much important system. You have to remember throughout life, and it is very much required also in each professional. RAS, renin-angiotensin system, is the most powerful system of kidney to control arterial BP. Component: renin, angiotensinogen, angiotensin converting enzyme and angiotensin II. Renin, it is a protein enzyme this aspartyl protease, it's secreted by the JG cell, juxtaglomerular cell of the afferent arteriole. Its half-life is 80 minutes. Synthesis. It's synthesized from the pre-prorenin large structure, then prorenin, then renin is formed. Some prorenin also secreted by other organ like ovaries, etc. Function. Function is angiotensinogen to angiotensin 1. Factors regulating renin secretion, very much important. Stimulatory factor, increased sympathetic activity by the renal nerve. The renal nerve are present at the afferent arteriole, and these regulate and it supplies the JG cells, and increased sensitivity of the renal nerve causes the increased renin secretion. Increased circulatory catecholamines, decreased sodium and chloride load at macula densa. When there is a decrease occurs, when there is a diluted urine is produced, then the sodium chloride is decreased in the urine, and this causes the stimulatory effect of the renin secretion, and which causes the angiotensin formation, 2 formation ami aschi, and which causes the increased water absorption. Prostaglandin and diuretics. Inhibitory, increased sodium and chloride at the macula densa is same way. When there is the dehydration in our body, concentrated urine are produced, then renin secretion, sodium and chloride increases at renal tubule, and this causes inhibition of the renin secretion. Increased afferent and efferent arteriolar pressure, and angiotensin 2 and ADH. Angiotensinogen. Angiotensinogen, it is found in alpha 2 globulin fraction of the plasma. It is synthesized in liver. Circulatory level increased by glucocorticoid, thyroid hormone, estrogen, several cytokines, and the angiotensin 2. Angiotensin converting enzyme ACE. It is a carboxypeptidase. It is present primarily endothelium of the lung. It is present throughout our body and mostly present in the endothelium of the lung. Types. There are 2 types, somatic and germinal. Somatic is found throughout the body and germinal found in the spermatozoa. Functions. Number 1 function is the angiotensin 1 to angiotensin, converts angiotensin 1 to angiotensin 2, and then it also convert, same enzyme convert bradykinin to inactive metabolite. তাহলে applied কি, during treatment with ACE inhibitor for hypertension, BP decreases, but it causes accumulation of the bradykinin in our body. It inhibits these steps, and this causes the accumulation of the bradykinin in our body, which may cause, in 20% cases it may cause intractable cough, which is decreased in our practice, in our treatment. It is decreased by the either withdrawal of the ACE inhibitor, we choose other antihypertensive, or we can give aspirin, which breaks bradykinin in other way. Angiotensin 2, it is a octapeptide. T-half is 1 to 2 minute, most potent vasoconstrictor in our body. It is the most potent, MCQ আসে. Increases cytosolic calcium. It acts via angiotensin receptor like 81, 82, 83, etc. 81, it is a G protein coupled receptor. We know this G protein coupled receptor is a 7 helical structure. It is found in the blood vessel and brain. G protein coupled receptor 81 is 2 types, 81A and 81B. 81A found in the blood vessel, brain. 81B found in the adrenal cortex and pituitary. 82 it is also G protein coupled receptor. It increases production of the NO and causes, and such it increases cyclic GMP, and more in the fetal and neonatal life, but persists in adult brain and other organ. Now we will come function of the angiotensin II.